Kia ora champions, today we're back out in the Tintic mining district to check out what remains of Silver City and the surrounding area. It's been a fairly slow start to winter here, and this is our first trip out with snow on the ground. We've also recently just replaced the tie rod ends, drag link and steering stabilizer on the XJ, and it's made a world of difference to how the Jeep steers. It's amazing how many mines are out here, evident by the tailings dotted all over the landscape. The mineral wealth in a relatively small area is pretty crazy. After descending out of the hills, we arrived at the ghost town of Silver City, which is right by the main road, by the way. We just took the scenic route to get here. Mining started around 1869 after George Russ discovered the remains of Native American mines. The minerals that were mined here was bismuth, copper, gold and lead. The town's population fluctuated over the years, and in 1907 Jesse Knight established the Utah Ore Sampling Company and constructed a smelter along with varying other buildings. This brought with it a surge of settlers. However, one by one the miners were striking water and the mines started flooding. A couple of the more productive mines had pumps installed to keep the water at bay. However, this was a financial burden that ultimately took its toll, along with decreased transportation costs to get the ore to Salt Lake City smelters. Silver City was inhabited until 1930, which thereafter became the ghost town that it is today. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today to check out Silver City. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. We'll catch you next time.